Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidutronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how we can install a Cygwin emulator in our Windows machine, Windows 10, 11. We can install. Now the thing is, we already had installed MSys2 and other emulator. So some people also can work on Cygwin emulator. That is also a kind of mimicking Linux in our Windows machine. If you don't want dual boot Windows machines and you want to run some application of related to like a Linux machine, so you can install this Cygwin emulator. So what you have to do, you just need to go to first your favorite browser, and here you just type like download Cygwin for Windows. Okay, so here we can click on the first link, and here we go. This is the installing and updating Cygwin packages, installing and updating Cygwin for 64-bit version of Windows. So we can run this setup. So we can click on this, and here we go. Setup x86 underscore 64.exe is getting downloaded. So as soon as it get downloaded, we will just double click on it and we will get installed it. And after that, I'll also tell you how we can basically integrate this Cygwin to our VS Code, our favorite editor, to our favorite editor terminal. That thing I'll also tell, just like MSys2 we have done. So what we have to do now, we'll just click on it. This is the thing. Now we'll just hit on next. Install from internet. Okay, yeah, we will have to do that. And then this is the directory where our Cygwin 64 will get installed, which is C and Cygwin 64. You can browse and change it. I'll just make it the same. And here you can make, say, like install for all users. If you want just store for your one user, then you can click on just me, and we'll hit next, and again next. System proxy settings. So this is the thing, it is just downloading. So here you can take any of the available download sites. So I'm just by the time I'm just taking this cygwinmirrorshobby.com. so you can take it the nearest browser you have. It doesn't matter a lot. It will just make your download slow, installation slower, fast, depending upon the network browser what you have nearby. So we will just click on next, and now here we go, it is just installing. So okay, so I'll just fast forward this thing. Okay, so now this set select packages page we have come up with. So we can just click on this plus icon. So these are the packages we have right now. So either we can go to like admin and all everything. We can click on this or anything, whatever the package you want, you can select that and install it. And here we can just simply select this Python, and right now we can say install, and we will just install right now this Python 3, let's say. Anyway, we have Python 3 in our system, but through Cygwin also we will install. So now we will just hit or click on next. We'll click on next. So it will just install all the packages whatever was there on the window. So we will just, I'll just fast forward this thing for you as it will take a while. Okay, so now Cygwin setup is installed with our Python thing as well. So it took a while basically. So we can install those things in later parts also. You don't need to click on those things if you don't want initially those things. So now these things are installed. Now we can just click on finish, and here we go. Now this is our Cygwin terminal. So if I'll just double click on it, and here you go. This is the thing we are getting now. So if I'll just click on pwd, so we are in home and then pound. So it means by default it is pointing us to the Windows home directory. Now ls, nothing is there as we know, but ls hyphen a we will get the hidden files. So these are the hidden files. Now what will we do? Basically now this Cygwin thing we can integrate to our Visual Studio Code. So if you want to integrate this thing to our in our Visual Studio Code, so what will you do? First let's open Visual Studio Code. So here we go. So in Visual Studio Code we will go to our settings, and here we have to basically this setting, sorry, and here we have to type terminal dot integrated dot profile dot windows. We'll click on edit and settings in here, and here in the last what we have to do, we have to just give like comma, and we have to add Cygwin. Okay, sorry, we have to give double quote. So Cygwin, because we have to integrate this terminal as well now in this. So now here we will give the path, and this is the path we will just copy for a while just now, for example, and here we will replace this path with our this path, basically C Windows C Cygwin 64 bin. So basically in C we have this Cygwin. If we'll just see here in C we have Cygwin, and then this is bin. So this is the path we have to copy, and we have to paste it here. We'll save it now, and here we go. Now we, as soon as we saved it, now we will just see here Cygwin is added. Okay, we need to just close this thing. We have to put one more bracket to close this thing, and this comma will come here only, and this thing is now part of this, this thing is now part of this, and in the same way the last one, this one will be the closing one. Okay, now if I'll just save it, now we can able to see the terminal of Cygwin. I'll click on this, and here you can see the Cygwin is here now, because the curly braces are not arranged properly, so that's why that that error we are getting. So now if I'll just go to Cygwin, here we go. So it automatically opens will open to our current working directory. Here we can see, if I'll just ls I'll do, so sorry, ls command will not be there in this currently. So we can do pwd, let's say. So this is the path currently we are getting. So we are getting bash cd command not found. So you can install these things. So I'll tell you that also how we can achieve this thing. Okay, so to get these commands ls and pwd, what will you do? We will just go to our Cygwin 64, and in the home directory we will go to our username, and this bash hrc we will open with, let's say, with VS Code editor itself, and we have to add something on the last, and that basically environment, the path we have to give. at the end, and then we will able to get the things here. So this is the thing, and here we go, and we will add it here. Okay, so that part will give it here, and we will just save it. And after saving it, now we can just close this terminal, and we'll just open terminal, and here after opening terminal, it's opening by default with git bash. We'll go to Cygwin, and here we'll give ls. So here you can see now we are getting the commands, because we had added the environment variable path. So now if even that ls-a also will get, and pwd also will not get any error. These are the things we can see here using Cygwin. So that's it, guys, from this video. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.